Welcome to SkipperBud's Yacht Tours. This is a 2019 Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius. I'm going to take you on a tour through the exterior, quick view of the engine room, and then move inside and show the highlights of, in my opinion, the best 50-foot boat on the market right now. I believe that for a number of reasons, but the spatial use and a true 50 that fits a Type 50 slip, it's hard to beat, especially the Master. So in the back, you have an optional grill. Boat comes with dinghy chalk receivers down here. And these stairs, when the power swim platform lowers, become stairs back up to the cockpit, which is a nice function. You can fit almost any dinghy. I would attitude it with the bow this way so that you've got plenty of clearance for those stairs to get down and up when you're launching, retrieving the dinghy, or just swimming. There is cockpit flooring that is included with this boat that's in storage. The boat is very low hours and in immaculate shape. This boat was optioned with the rear facing seat here. You'll sometimes see this area blank, or optional bar stools there as well that can be retrofitted if preferred. The owners did option the power pedestal for the cockpit seat here, so that'll lower down and you can put a cushion that's included with it, make that a large sunbed. There's a power SureShade sunshade that'll extend to about even with the back of that seat. This boat was selected to have an exterior ice maker there. Moving forward, you'll see very large walkways. You can fit side-by-side foot, so you're not toe to heel to get up here, and up to thigh height rail and grab rails the entire length of that gangway. Excellent forward seating. This boat also is major time loaded with the optional sunshade for the bow, which stows right here. Just a quick click, remove that seal piece or finish piece, pop those in, on and off. This is a nice function here with a cable that stows right away without covering. And then both of these backrests have two positions. They'll pop up at different angles. This is a 2019 again, and it's extremely clean. One of the cleanest 3-year-old boats I've been on. I have the power window lowered right now. That will clip open, so you can run it underway, but there's a kind of nice atmosphere having full beam opening on this boat. Moving inside, you have a freezer, refrigerator, another refrigerator, microwave / convection oven, and a 2-burner cooktop. Very large sink. Storage above. Drawers here, 2 drawers there, large drawer, and then storage and garbage can down here. Again, storage above. This whole seat all the way back is all storage under there, very deep storage. You have a leafed table, so you can fit in a couple of applications. Again, additional storage here. Sliding helm seat forward and aft. This boat is equipped with a Seakeeper. Obviously Volvo joystick with dynamic positioning, joystick driving. Moving down. Start at the VIP. Large VIP. I don't know if you can see in the mirror. I'm about 6 foot tall. I've got another 8 or 9 inches above head. Large hanging locker there. Nice windows. And then the shared head. Again, large shower, 6.5 foot or so of clearance there. Plenty of storage behind the mirror, back behind the head and down below. Boat is equipped with optional central vacuum as well. Moving to the third stateroom. Over 6-foot bunks. Work great for kids or adults. There's plenty spacious. This is a hanging locker in here. You have double drawer storage under the bed and a very large deep storage here. This is the power panel. Then moving back to the master. This is certainly the best in class master on a 50-foot boat that I've been on. Huge space, large bed. Nice seating area that can serve as a sleeper for a child if need be. Huge opening windows, both sides. This boat is optioned again with just about everything, including the washer dryer. I'll take you forward. Very large hanging locker. That's the seat cushion. And then actually behind here is excellent storage as well for your not so common items. Like they have life jackets. I use this often for water bottles or just spare storage that you're not accessing as frequently. And I'll take you into the master bath. Again, tons of storage top side here, quite a bit of storage underneath, as well as trash, head, and again, about 6.5 feet of clearance in the master shower. Lastly, I'll take you to show the engine room, which again, I believe to be best in class engine room for a number of reasons. Huge engine room, tons of space. I'll often use this area to store large fenders. I like to tie them right off to the ladder so they're just hanging fixed where they're not going to bump around into anything. There's your seat keeper. You have access. That's the hydraulic system access. Obviously generator, Cummins Onan generator. Looks like this boat was optioned with the oil changing unit for both engines and for the Jenny. Cruisers does an excellent job of labeling every single thing throughout the boat. You can see there's a placard. All the wires are actually labeled, like Ford engine room bonding system. You can see the label right there. So everything, when you pull through the boat, you'll know exactly what it goes to. And your box. And all of the seacocks, all of the battery systems, everything has a nice label on it. Even if you see some of them will have instructions on how often to change, what mode to run your battery switches in, all right on the placards. Makes it fairly simple when you're trying to troubleshoot an issue, come down and know exactly what everything is.